What's up, y'all? This your boy, Mr. Coupon. I'm back. I am doing a video on making homemade, I don't want to say smoothie, slush. I'm gonna say we're gonna go with slush or Slurpee, okay? So what we have our blender. I got a lid to the blender. We have frozen fruit. I use frozen fruit, and the reason being is because either you can use fresh fruit and add ice to it, or what I normally do now, I freeze the fruit that I'm going to use, and then you don't have to add ice because it pretty much turns into, slush. We have, I'm going to use this cup, so I already put apple juice in it, some kind of liquid, any kind of, you could use fruit juice, apple juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, any liquid you can use, okay? And I also may just add in the yogurt just to give it a little, I guess, thickness or body to it. And I'm gonna go ahead and add in the ingredients. So first, come on, okay. So I'm gonna add in frozen. So it's watermelon. My bad. So it's watermelon, strawberry. You can add any fruit. Watermelon, strawberry, and I'm just probably throw in this strawberry yogurt. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of this. Let me see. I may. Let's see. We're gonna try that first, okay? Then pour in the liquid. And we're gonna press the, let's do smoothie. Hold up, y'all. All right, let's see. Hold on, let me put a towel or something under it. So, hold on. All right, we back. So I put a towel under it to give it a little grip. So I added the yogurt in there, so I'm gonna blend it up. It also had fruit puree on the bottom, so there's gonna be additional flavor. So I'm gonna blend it up real quick. Give me 1 second. Done. So I'm finna pour that bad boy in there. Up. Yeah, baby. All right. So there we are. Strawberry watermelon yogurt. I added the yogurt for the little body, and it also gave it some more flavor. Let's see. Oh yeah. No artificial sugars or nothing. All right, there we go. Strawberry watermelon smoothie. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Mr. Couponer. Peace.